Okay, so this week we're doing a little critical thinking game called Would You Rather. Some people might be familiar with this, other people maybe not. So it's just like online. You can get a bunch of scenarios. There's also like the formal board game version of this. So here are the basic how to play. So first you're presented with two options. Then you must choose one of those options and finally provide your critical reasoning for making that choice. And then right there's a whole discussion that ensues amongst people, defending their choice, challenging other people's choices, right? And that's how the game sort of plays out following that critical thinking trail, as to which option is better. Now, the big thing to this argument in critical thinking is that neither option tends to be ideal. So normally it's not like very clear or easy choice to make. So for instance, here's a sample card from the board game version, right? So the board game, you like choose from different categories. So here's like 4 different scenarios. So while running through the woods from an enraged wild boar, you can sprain your ankle severely or accidentally step into an old metal bucket and not be able to shake it off as you run. Right? So neither situation is ideal. So which would be better, and how can you like reason through that choice that you're making? Again, the next one, go to your 20-year class reunion, have everybody comment on how old you look or have nobody remember you at all. Like which is better and why? Be known for your intelligence or for your courage, but not both. Live in a small capsule in outer space or in a small submarine at the bottom of the sea. So again, it's just thinking about, okay, which one, if forced to choose, would you choose and why would you make that choice, right? It's really like the reasoning, and that like critically thinking through it, that is the point. Okay, so this is our question that we're answering and choosing, and then going to write about in our discussion board post this week. So for the rest of your life, would you rather start every sentence with experts say, or end every sentence with, but that's just my opinion? So make your choice and then defend it, reason it out. Why is your choice the best option? And one thing in defending the choice that you make, really focus on the one that you're choosing and like why you would make that choice as opposed to the one that you didn't choose. Cause sometimes we can just go right into like the negative looking at the other side, but really like focus on, okay, so if you choose experts say, like what is it that you feel makes that the best choice as opposed to making the other one the poorer choice, right? So think about that. Ready, set, go.